Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you the top 3 WordPress plugins that no small business should be without, to be honest. First of all, you got Elementor. This WordPress plugin is a really cool drag and drop page builder that lets you create beautiful and professional looking web pages without like using any coding skills at all. You don't need to worry about all this. You can simply customize your pages in any way you want. It really couldn't be easier than that. And it's fun, using it since it's only drag and drops. Customize it. Okay. Let me show you a quick sample about a few websites that I did to my clients. This is the first website. Look how beautiful it is, very professional. I've done this website using the Elementor and a few other plugins. Within time, I will show you like everything. I will try to teach you everything about it. So this website was built using Elementor. Okay. Here's another, by the way, website. Let me show you the animation in it. Okay. And this website is considered one of my best websites since the company really liked it. It's totally customized by Elementor and using the animation in it. So you guys gotta use the Elementor. There is no better option than using the Elementor. Next, I want to show you this amazing WordPress plugin, which is the best probably SEO plugin that helps you optimize your website for search engines. And with features like content analysis and built-in local SEO tools, it's an excellent way to boost your website's ranking and drive more traffic to your website. So consider this as a great option to use. And last but probably not least, let me show you this incredible plugin which is called NitroPack. NitroPack is actually it's all in one speed plugin. Gives you everything you need to make your website lightning. Plugins that I always use, it's all, as you can see, that it's all in one speed optimization solution plus image optimization. Those were the top 3 WordPress plugins that I always use. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, as I will be posting new videos every time, and I'll see you in the next video.